I'm pleased to announce that last night, your council unanimously passed the City of South Perth budget for the 2021-2022 financial year. The budget sees a low rates movement of just 1% in line with inflation and a 0% movement in our waste services charge. The budget also sees a net increase in the city's financial reserves for the first time since the 2014-2015 financial year. This is good, responsible financial management, and it enhances our ability to provide the facilities and services that our community enjoys and relies upon. The city has also successfully leveraged a number of opportunities for external funding, allowing us to roll out value-adding projects in the community with a minimal burden on ratepayers. We'll be rolling out a detailed breakdown of the 2021-2022 budget in the coming week, and for more details, please visit our website.